welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Gina, also known as the Italian Diva, and today I am going to be doing an Ashley Graham inspired everyday makeup look. I really love Ashley Graham. She's gorgeous. She's just so beautiful inside and out, and I have been obsessed with watching her videos on YouTube. I have been watching, the Vogue Beauty Secret ones, Harper Bazaar, Go to Bed with Me, Ashley Graham's morning routine. So I've been really loving watching, her routines and, what she does for like her morning routine, her everyday makeup. And I just really wanted to film a video because I have been doing her routine every single day. I think what got me really intrigued by her makeup, especially like her everyday makeup when she's going to shoot her podcast, or she said when she's going out on a date or running errands, it's always like this same simple glam. And if you guys have been following me for the past 7 years now, yes, 7 years, it's been a while. So if you guys have stuck around for that long, you guys are the real OGs. And if you guys are just, stopping by, I hope that you guys subscribe. But for those that have been watching me for years and years and years, you guys know that I love makeup. And I wear a lot of it, like a lot of makeup, a lot of eyebrows, a lot of eyeshadow, tons of foundation and concealer and powders. Like I put a lot of makeup on my face. And what really got me really liking her everyday makeup was the simplicity of it. So I am the type of person that I do put on a lot of products on my face, but what I loved was the natural beauty. Like I love the fact that you could still see her freckles, and she likes to make her moles a little bit darker, but still see her natural skin through the foundation that she put on. And that really got me thinking that I don't need to be putting on all this makeup. Now I put it on because I love it, because I love the way a beat face looks. Don't get me wrong, okay? I love my makeup. But for an everyday makeup look, I don't want to have to put on a ton of foundation or a ton of eyeshadow. I want to be able to, see my skin, and I do have some freckles right here, to be able to see them through my makeup and have a really effortless, natural looking, no makeup. So that has what really intrigued me by watching her videos, and I have been doing this makeup look every single day. It is so simple, yet so pretty, and such like a really nice makeup look. Like she said, when she goes out on a date, or if I have to run to the grocery store or take my baby for a walk or anything, it's just a really nice glam. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it now. It is hot out, but yeah, you guys, so I'm going to show you my everyday makeup look inspired by Ashley Graham. I'm just going to pop in my little earrings. These earrings right here, these little hoops, and this necklace are both Juicy Couture. I love Juicy. I've always loved Juicy. But all right, let's get started. All I did was I crimped my hair for more of like her wavy hair look, because I just totally look up to her. And your girl wanted to have some wavy hair like Ashley Graham. So my favorite videos that I have watched are Ashley Graham's Guide to Eye Masks and Hydrated Skin, Beauty Secrets by Vogue, Ashley Graham's Red Carpet Beauty Look, Beauty Secrets by Vogue, Ashley Graham's Nighttime Skincare Routine, Go to Bed with Me, Harper's Bazaar, and also Ashley Graham's Morning Routine, Waking Up with Elle. So those are the ones that I have been watching. Definitely check them out. Her personality, she's just so funny. She's so real. She's just beautiful, like I said, inside and out. And let's get into this makeup look. So it's so simple. You guys know that I love caking on my foundation. I just love it. But I have recently been loving like a really light foundation and actually being able to see my skin. And my skin has been looking so much more glowy because I've been taking so much better care of my skin. And actually watching these Beauty Secrets and Go to Bed with Me videos by Harper Bazaar and Vogue, I have been getting a lot of like information on what skincare celebrities use and what works best for them. I know that we have celebrities that we look up to and inspire to, be like, but I have been getting so many ideas, and I have been really taking care of my skin, and I love, seeing what products that they like to use, even though a lot of them are very expensive. So what Ashley Graham does is she takes her foundation. Now I'm just using a Wet n Wild one. Use whatever foundation you want, and she mixes it with her moisturizer, and I have right here the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Gel Cream for extra dry skin, hyaluronic acid. So I'm gonna take I literally just bought another one of these off of Amazon. If you haven't watched my Amazon like skincare video, definitely check it out. I will leave it linked down below. I have been following that routine and my skin has been looking so nice. I take about that much moisturizer and I put it in the palm of my hand. And she uses her hands a lot. And you know, back when I started doing makeup, like everybody used their hands, and you just take some foundation so you guys can see. Because it really helps to warm up the product. And I know like a lot of us use beauty blenders and brushes, and don't get me wrong, I still love doing that, but for this, it's just so easy. And I do this because I saw her rub it in her hands like this, and then I just put it on my face, and it just gives the right amount of coverage to, you know, cover up any dark spots, especially if you like to lay in the sun like myself, if you have any hyperpigmentation, just to really kind of even out your skin tone. I kind of get a little dark underneath my eyes because I'm a mom and I don't get a lot of sleep. So I just take this, I go down my neck, and it's so moisturizing. Like I'm literally mixing in my foundation with a moisturizer. Oh, and it just makes my skin feel so much better. And I already see a difference in my mirror. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. I also got a gel nail machine. I'm going to be doing a video on that. That will be up after this one. I'm going to be doing my mom's nails. But now I can do gel at home, you guys. I have some blemishes right here, but they don't bother me. If they bother you, get a concealer. I have a concealer right here because she does put some concealer on, but I still haven't bought a new Tarte Shape Tape yet. And I'm going to get a little bit of a darker color because this one is definitely to highlight with. But I'm just going to put a little bit of this underneath my eyes and then right on that pimple right there. But I definitely want to get a little bit of a darker one just so it can blend a little nicer and not look like two different shades on my face. Now when I'm going for like a heavy, you know, cakey look, never cakey, just always full coverage, okay? But, you know, I used to get called like cake face and things like that just because I wore a lot of makeup, and people would say to me, why do you wear makeup? Like, why? Because I like it, okay? Like, is that such a problem? You know what I'm saying? All my makeup lovers out there will totally understand what I'm saying. But all right, so I just blend that in. This right here is my Covergirl powder. My mom has been using Covergirl, I think she said since she was like 12, and I just bought one. I always went off and on, but my mom says this is like the best one that she loves, and I was looking for like a drugstore powder. So I'm just using this one. I'm in the color Classic Ivory. And the next thing I'm gonna do, I believe, which video was this? Let me see. I think this video was Ashley Graham's Guide to Eye Mask and Hydrated Skin. She did use a little bit of bronzer for her morning routine. She didn't, and I haven't been using bronzer, but I just wanted to add just a little bit more bronze into my face, so not a lot. I'm just using the Anastasia contour kit right here. This is in the light to medium, and I'm just putting that where my cheekbones are. And everything for this look is like to blend, blend, blend. I'm just gonna blend that out, and then I wanna take a little bit of blush. This blush right here is the Butter Blush, and it is in the color Vintage Rogue. And it's just like really pretty mauvey pink, like just adds enough color. I don't want to take too much of this because I do have natural redness in my skin. It's just that's how my skin is, so I'm more red, more pinkish, whatever. And then I'm just going to blend that out a little bit. And she used a highlighter. Now I do love a highlighter. Before I would use a brush and really pack it on. Now I just take some on my finger and I'm just going to put it right there to add a little glow. A little on my Cupid's bow and a little bit on my nose. Once again, I come in with my brush just to blend everything out. So now when the face makeup is done, I'm just going to take a setting spray just because it's so hot. The past few days I haven't taken a setting spray, so you don't have to, but just because I'm going to be going outside after, I just want to make sure that what I have on stays. So to finish up my lips, I'm just going to come in with a lip gloss. You guys could come in with anything, a liquid lip, a lipstick. I just like her an everyday makeup look. Just to come in with a little bit of gloss. You could use a lip liner like Ashley Graham does, a lip gloss like she does, a lipstick, whatever. I just like to come in with a gloss. So 3 more steps and then we're done with this makeup look. I am going to come in, I'm gonna buy a big one of these because I really love it. This is the Gimme Brow Plus by Benefit, and I really love it. I got this like in an Ipsy, and it's just really pretty for like a brow gel. I've been really like taking care of my eyebrows too. I used a little face shaver to clean up underneath them. I pluck them. I tried to wax my eyebrows the other day, and I really love, after watching Ashley Graham, like her eyebrows are so nice, and I'm gonna brush my hairs up just so they're more fuller. And my, you know, just like my regular hair, my eyelashes, my eyebrows, they don't stay up, unfortunately. I could use like a hair gel like she does, but most of the time my eyebrows, they do like fall back down. But just right now I like to brush them up, but that's just something new that I've been doing. I'm trying to get fuller eyebrows, so I have been using castor oil every single night. If you guys want to see kind of like an updated skincare, what I've been doing every single night, then let me know. Last thing is mascara, and I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes. Use whatever curler you have. This one's not my favorite. I want to buy like a new one, but just a little bit. I don't curl too much because like my eyelashes don't ever stay curled anyway. So the mascara I'm using is the Maybelline New York Great Lash. So this one is an oldie but a goodie. If you're looking for more of like a higher end mascara, I love Lily Ghalichi XXX mascara. I am going to be ordering a new one of those this week. And then all I do is really just put on a good amount of mascara. Alright, you guys, and this is the finished look. But if I wanted to have a little bit more like va va voom on my eyes, I could throw on a pair of lashes. If you have lash extensions, that's good because you already have them on. Most days I don't want to have to glue eyelashes on, but if I wanted to, I could. I love Lily lashes, and they're my favorite. I love the way my eyebrows look. They're so like natural instead of like drawing them on with like a dip brow. Most days I like to do that, but recently I've been loving just like the natural look. And I love that I can like see like my little blemishes and my little freckle mole thing right there, and like my freckles up here. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video watching me do this Ashley Graham inspired everyday makeup. Definitely check out those videos that I mentioned in the beginning. They're just so fun to watch. Definitely watch Ashley Graham's, but also watch all the other people. They have Kourtney Kardashian, they have Demi Moore, like so many people. Like I can't even name them. I loved Liv Tyler's too. But I really love this makeup look. It's so simple, so beautiful, and I hope that you guys enjoyed. It's very quick, but also makes this mama look like she's awake and not tired. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. Turn on post notifications so you guys get notified on when I post a new video. And I will see you divas in my next video. Bye.